You built your fan base, you put in the hours, but what if I told you, your biggest competition isn't another creator? It's AI, and it's taking over OnlyFans. Fast. Meet Claudia. She's one of the first fully AI-generated OnlyFans models, and she made over $100,000 in a single month. She never had to take a single photo of herself. Every image, every video, AI-generated. And yet, fans are subscribing, tipping, and chatting with her just like they would with a real creator. Perfect Looks AI models are designed to be flawless, adapting to whatever fans want. Unlimited content. AI can generate thousands of high-quality images and videos instantly. 24/7 interaction AI chatbots engage with fans non-stop, making them feel special without effort. Low cost, high profits, no photo shoots, no revenue splits, just endless AI-generated content. Right now, thousands of OnlyFans subscribers are chatting with models, without realizing they're talking to AI. The AI responds instantly, it remembers past conversations, it even flirts back, better than a human. So what does this mean for real creators? Many are already seeing their earnings take a massive hit. With AI dominating the market, real creators are being forced to evolve. The question is, how do you compete? Here's what real creators are doing to fight back. Live streaming AI can't match real-time engagement. Personalized content AI models don't have unique life experiences. Exclusive behind the scenes. Fans want real people, not just perfect images. So, is this the end of OnlyFans as we know it? Will human creators be completely replaced, or will fans demand authenticity over AI perfection? One thing is certain, the adult industry is changing forever, and if you're not adapting, you're getting left behind. What do you think? Are AI models the future, or is this a dangerous trend? Let's talk in the comments. And if you want to see the next big AI shift in adult content, watch our next video, because it's about to get even crazier.